To draw with charcoal, you will need several materials such as sticks of charcoal, sketch paper, a kneaded eraser, a sharpening block for charcoal, and blending tools. These are the basic elements to get started. Here are the steps to create an ordinary drawing. Start by sketching the basic outlines of your subject with a pencil or charcoal stick. Select an appropriate charcoal stick for the area you're drawing. Thin sticks are ideal for smaller details, and thick sticks suit larger areas. Hold the stick at an angle and apply it to the paper with light pressure, using a sweeping motion for smooth lines and gradients. Apply multiple layers of charcoal to add depth and texture to your drawing. You can also use your fingers or blending tools to soften the lines and create a smoother look. Use the kneaded eraser to lighten specific areas or create highlights in your drawing. Always remember to work slowly and carefully, building up your drawing gradually to achieve the desired effect. If you want to learn how to create stunning artworks using advanced techniques, you can continue watching the video. The first new technique we'll learn involves creating shapes and using blending tools to create several windows or shapes with varying tones of gray. Start by creating your drawing as usual, then cut out the shape you want from a piece of paper. Get some charcoal dust from the sharpening block and a charcoal stick. Place the cutout shape on the drawing, and using blending tools, create some smooth layers of gray. Another way to play with shapes is by using tape to create an outline of the shape. This time, draw a lighter image inside the outline, the opposite of the previous technique. Create the background of the drawing, keeping in mind where you will place your drawing. Then, create the outline of the shape with tape and start drawing inside the outline. If you want to create different effects for the characters of your drawing, you can use more tape to draw over it, so that you don't unintentionally destroy the parts you want to keep. Create a background for your drawing, place the tape where you want to see the background with nothing drawn over it, and finish your picture, creating a landscape, portrait, or whatever you have in mind.